Check this out. Once again, Smith and Wesson in the joint one time. Pulling the coast to this newness in '94. You know what I'm saying? Lock your doors, nobody's safe. You know what I'm saying? Check it out.
I walk around town with the pound strapped down to my side. No frontin' just in case I gotta smoke some. Round here, heads don't act the age. It might be another dead boy upon page. Into the cipher with your lighter. L's are ready, prepare for another all-nighter. But keep a watch for the cops, cause they rock glocks. Coming on the block trying to rock knots. Pigs be acting like they bigger than us niggas from the streets, cause we stalk mad deep and them walk beats. I guess them hold a grudge cause I won't budge. Playing tough, staring down the judge with my hands cupped. Standing there with my nappy hair and my dirty gear. All the war, yeah, now I'm up out of here. Pigs lift me up and down with the front. Is it because I'm bound or is it because I'm from Bucktown? Home of the original gun clappers. Home of the original gun clappers.